What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2005 Yamaha R6. So I just put, gonna adjust the camera. I just put 2 brand new tires on this bike, did a full fresh tune-up. This bike runs awesome. It's got some goofy things, some fading right there on the back of the seat. It's got a crack right there in the top of the seat. Scratch right there and right there. This side of the fairing has a scar, like an indent right there. Some scratches, you know, super common. Scuff right there, scuffs along there. Really doesn't bother me. Front tire is brand new. Got a couple scuffs right there. This bike is gonna be really good price. I mean, it's gonna be a killer price for what it is. You're getting a lot of bike for under $5 grand. Indent right there. It's gonna be right around like 4,500 bucks. It's just a ton of bike for what it is. It runs perfect. 13,000 miles on it. This would also make a killer track bike for somebody. Guys, bike runs great. Like I said, 2005 Yamaha R6. Bike runs great. It's got 2 brand new tires on it. It runs great. This is gonna be a killer bike for somebody that wants a bike to ride right now. Cosmetically, it's got some couple little goofy things, but it's not a big deal. Thanks so much for watching, guys.